So Onyx has an indoor enclosure and an outdoor enclosure, and his outdoor enclosure is it has a pond. He has toys. He has all the things to do, heated areas. But he prefers sometimes to stay indoors, and that's really his choice. It's up to him whether he goes in or out. He is inside every night, but I thought I would show you the days that he's inside. If he helps in the hospital, I'll show you.